Hello. In this video I will be examining the multi-momentum indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is a type of momentum indicator that shows us the overbought and oversold areas. The line you see on our chart indicates overbought or oversold conditions. If the value is above 50, it indicates overbought, and if it's below -50,
learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
it indicates oversold. For signaling with this indicator, we can buy when we exit the oversold area, and sell when we exit the overbought area. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The only setting for this indicator is its calculation period, which defaults to 14. The higher we set this value, the smoother the line will be, and we will see fewer fluctuations in this indicator. Now let's take a look at a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now you will see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.